So hello and welcome. I have decided to create some short tutorial about Adobe Animate. And the thing is that I have created an HTML5 banner where I explain everything from downloading the Freepik file, working in the Illustrator, in the Adobe Animate, and then publishing it to the Google Ads. And I'm going to provide you a link to that tutorial. But in this tutorial, I would like to only create a very quick little part. I'm not going to show you how to work in Illustrator with this vector, and I'm not going to show you how to export this. Only the little animation. So right now I will show you what we will be doing today. Okay, and right now I will show you what was the initial banner that you can watch. I'm going to provide the link in the description. Oh, very well. So I went with this vector. I have downloaded this and I adjusted this in the Illustrator. So right now I will go to the Adobe Animate and I am going to put my Illustrator file in here. And this is the file that I am going to provide you, like so. And right now I'm going to just click import and we are going to have two things like so. So I'm going to click on this one, I am going to click F8 or modify and convert to symbol, and this is going to be trash bin, like so. And I'm going to click on this one, F8, and this is going to be bottle, like so, and I'm going to click OK and make sure that it is movie clip. Maybe I will click anywhere else and I'm going to change the background color to some kind of tint of the orange, something that isn't white. Very well, I will also rename my layers, so this is going to be recycle bin, and this is going to be bottle, like so. And right now what I want to do is I want to animate this bottle like so, and then I want it to disappear. One thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to hit Q and I'm going to make this little bit smaller, like so. And what we need to do is create some kind of mask. So I'm going to create new layer and I will go to the rectangle tool, the fill color, it doesn't matter, and I'm going to draw something like this. Very well. And I'm going to hide this layer for a moment. What I'm going to do right now is my recycle bin, I am going to extend it maybe to, I don't know, 100 frames. I'm going to click F5, and my bottle, I'm going to extend it, but I'm going to click F6, like so. I will go on the first frame of the bottle, and with my shift and arrows I'm going to put this up, and in here I'm going to put this down like so. And this animation is going to be very slow, so basically later on I'm going to make it a little bit faster maybe, but yeah. And I'm going to right click and I'm going to create classic twin. So right now we are going to have animation like so. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to extend my layer 3, which I'm going to rename to be mask, like so. And I'm going to click F5 or right click and insert frame, like so, to extend it. And right now what I will do is I will right click on my mask layer and I'm going to choose mask. And I'm going to make it visible. And the making mask is going to log my layers automatically, which is fine. And right now we are going to have an animation like so, and it is going to disappear in here, like so. If I want, I can make this like so. I can move this little bit if I want, like this, and then one more time log this, and this is going to be like this. I'm going to hit Ctrl Enter, and I will see what we are going to have. Okay, so this animation is very slow, so I will go back to the Adobe Animate, and what I can do is move this keyframe maybe in here, like so, and the rest of the keyframe I'm going to hit Shift F5 or right click and remove frames, and that way we are going to make this faster. So yeah, this is it. This was only short tutorial. I'm going to provide you a link for the long one, and I'm going to provide you a link for the Freepik site, and I'm going to give you my Illustrator file. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you maybe in some new tutorial. Take care, goodbye.